okay, the volume of a frustum. So the ratio formula is very useful in finding the volume of a frustum. So this is a frustum. It is part of a cone or a pyramid with the top removed, truncated. So this pyramid is split into two parts, X and Y. And of course, this smaller pyramid will be similar to the original pyramid. This smaller one is similar to the bigger pyramid. So they are similar solid. But the smaller pyramid is not similar to the frustum. They are not similar because they have different shapes. So we have to be very careful about this. So the height of the smaller pyramid, 3 cm, frustum, 5 cm. Therefore, the overall height of the bigger pyramid is x cm. Find the ratio of the areas of all the lateral face of X to all the lateral face of Y. Lateral face means this side. Therefore, not including the top and the base of this part, not including these two parts, just only the lateral faces. But again, we can still apply the ratio of areas formula. The ratio of areas equals to the square of the ratio of size. But remember, we apply this formula to these two pyramids, not the frustum. Therefore, the ratio of the areas, let's say, is equal to the ratio of the size. That means the height, 3 over 8. That is 9 over 64. So we can assume that the ratio of the areas, this is 9 and this is 64. So if we do a very simple subtraction, the ratio of the surface area of the frustum will be 64 minus 9, which is 55. But this is only the ratio, not cm squared. And therefore, we have to write down the ratio of the areas of the pyramids. The ratio of areas of X to Y will be 9 over 55. Part B. Similarly, find the ratio of the volume of X to the volume of Y. Therefore, again, we apply the ratio of volumes of pyramids of the smaller one to the bigger one. This will be the cube of the ratio of size, 3 over 8, which is 27 over 512. If we consider the volume, the ratio of the smaller pyramid will be 27. And for the bigger pyramid, the ratio will be 512. So what about the frustum? The ratio will be 512 minus 27. So the ratio of the volumes of X to Y will be 27 over 512 minus 27, which is 458.